In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to end a Google Meet for all participants in 2025 and close a Google Meet for everyone at once. If you're hosting a meeting and you want to make sure the session fully ends for every participant, Google Meet gives hosts a built-in option to do exactly that. This is especially useful for team meetings, classes, presentations, or any call where you don't want participants staying behind in the meeting after you leave. To begin, open Google Meet and either start your meeting or join the one you're hosting. This feature is intended for the meeting host, so make sure you're in the call with host controls available. Once you're inside the meeting, continue with your discussion as normal. Before ending the call, for everyone, take a moment to wrap things up clearly. Make sure you've finished the conversation, covered the main points, and answered any final questions. This helps avoid cutting people off unexpectedly. If needed, let everyone know that you're about to close the meeting for all participants so they're prepared. When you're ready, look at the meeting controls, usually located at the bottom of the screen. Find the Leave Call button, which is represented by the phone icon. Click or tap that button to bring up the available options. At this point, you'll typically see more than one choice. One option will simply let you leave the call yourself, while another will allow you to end the call for everyone. Be careful to choose End the Call for Everyone. That's the option that completely closes the meeting session instead of just removing you from it. After selecting that option, Google Meet may ask you to confirm your decision. If a confirmation prompt appears, go ahead and confirm that you want to end the meeting for all participants. This extra step is there to prevent accidental meeting shutdowns, so it's a good idea to read the prompt quickly before confirming. Once confirmed, the meeting ends immediately for everyone in the session. All participants will be disconnected at the same time, and that specific meeting session can't continue after it has been closed this way. That means no one remains behind in the call, which can help keep your meetings organized and secure. And that's all there is to it. As the host, using the End the Call for Everyone option is the fastest and cleanest way to fully close a Google Meet when the discussion is over. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.